Different IT departments have different requirements when it comes to what is considered an issue that needs alerting. StorageGRID understands this, and that is why StorageGRID not only has a variety of Prometheus metrics to monitor, but also a highly customizable alert system. Custom alert rules for StorageGRID can be created to trigger on specific conditions that are relevant to your business processes and thresholds. Creating a custom alert requires writing a Prometheus expression to determine the condition of when your alert should be triggered. These expressions are based on our StorageGRID metrics. For you to better understand customizing alerts, you should first know what metrics are available, as well where to successfully validate your query expressions before creating a custom alert. You can define a custom alert by creating expressions utilizing the StorageGRID metrics. To see the available list of metrics, you can query the Grid Manager API. We have API documentation available under Help and API documentation. The API operation to list all available metrics can be found here under Metrics. For example, you can execute this API call, list all available metric names, and save the response body for a full list of StorageGRID metrics. Now that you have a list of metrics, you can pick one to query to see its value. You can easily query a metric via API again, but you can also access the Prometheus UI to perform the query. In the main StorageGRID UI, click Support and Metrics and access the Prometheus UI using the link provided. In the Prometheus UI, you can easily test query a metric or Prometheus expression before using it in a custom alert as a condition. For example, we can query for incoming request counts, and you can view the output in console format or in graph form. These StorageGRID metrics are integral to creating your custom alerts. Now that you understand where you can list, query, and test expressions, let's go back to discussing custom alerts. Alerts are StorageGRID's primary system to notify the administrator of any problems. By default, StorageGRID supplies predefined alert rules that cover most problems. However, there are cases where an administrator would like to create a custom alert to find a specific situation. You can create a custom alert by going to the Alert Rules page and click Create Custom Alert. Within this form, all values are customizable: the name, the description, recommended actions, all three conditions, as well as the duration. As an example, I have a custom alert created to check request timeouts. We can tell it's a custom alert because on the right column, the type is custom. Since everything is customizable, you can enter your own unique name, description, and recommended action. In conclusion, creating a custom alert rule requires understanding and using our StorageGRID metrics. This can be a powerful feature that allows administrators to target their specific monitoring needs. Thanks for watching.